Let us learn about the properties of conjugate of a matrix. So what are the properties of conjugate of a matrix? Have a look. So suppose we have two matrices A and B, and if we take A plus B complete conjugate, then that can be written as A conjugate plus B conjugate. Okay. K times of A complete conjugate can be written as K conjugate A conjugate, where K is any scalar, whether you can say it can be real or complex. If K is real, then K bar will be equal to K. Okay. If K is a real scalar, then K bar will be equal to K, because real quantities conjugate is equal to the same quantity itself. Okay. So if K is real, K bar will be equal to K. But if K is complex, if it is complex, then K bar will not be equal to K. Okay. So K a complete bar, that is complete conjugate, is equal to K conjugate multiplied by A conjugate. Similarly, A plus B complete conjugate is equal to A conjugate plus B conjugate. Okay. Then A matrix A, we take its conjugate, and then again we take the conjugate of conjugate. Okay, we take conjugate one time, and then second time we again take conjugate of that quantity. Then it will come out to be the same matrix A itself. So A conjugate conjugate will be equal to A itself. Okay. Then AB complete conjugate will be equal to A conjugate multiplied by B conjugate. Okay, AB complete conjugate will be equal to A conjugate multiplied by B conjugate. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so this was all about these properties. Now from this note onwards we will study in the next class. Okay, thank you very much. One end screen will appear over here. Click on that end screen and watch the entire playlist of matrices. Thank you very much.